Hello guys! Welcome to another class with Mrs. Laporte. How are you today? Are you happy or sad? I am very happy today, and now we are starting one more class. Let's go! How's the weather like today? Is it sunny or is it rainy? Huh? Take a look outside and tell me, okay? Guys, do you remember the farm animals? Yes? So today we are going to review the name of them. Pay attention, so I will ask and you will answer. Let's start. Horse. It's a horse. What's the horse doing, guys? Yes, the horse is running. Okay, let's see another one. Duck. It's a duck. What color is the duck? Let's think. Okay, the duck is yellow. Yes. Now we have a cow. It's a cow. What's the cow doing? Yes, the cow is eating. Great job. And this? These are sheep. How many sheep can we see in the picture? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can see 8 sheep in the picture. Yes. And the last one, cat. It's a cat. What's the cat doing? Sleeping or jumping? It's your turn. Yes, the cat is sleeping. Great job, guys. Did you like to see the animals on the farm? I hope so. I will wait for you in our online class, okay? I miss you guys. Goodbye.